Cast away yourself. So. Get that off your lip, please. It's disgusting. It's like a blood clot.
Oh.
Yeah, what is it?
Put your pants right to the side.
No.
It's time to take drawers off.
Please, no.
Nice.
I wanna live. No.
No. Please don't make me do it.
Please drink it.
Strawberry drink. You're dead. Oh no. Yes, we can. I like that dude. He's funny. Just like when he shows up on someone's doorstep with a hot pocket eating it. That's funny. And then the call. Remember when in the thingy when it says it goes you say
It's probably wet.
how do you put it on the dryer? Okay, remember how he said on this part in here before this, I mean after this it goes the magic word is fajitas or something like that. He says, I told you the magic word is unicorns.
Quesadilla.
Quesadilla. So, but it's lunchtime.
I told you she's fine.
No.
What happened?
Someone attacked me.
Who?
In the living room, a woman. She hit me and these things are back. We have to go. We gotta get the kids.
We're watching Insidious.
You know that we've been through this before. They will follow us. You have to just not be afraid. You have to relax. You have to.
There's ghosts everywhere. It's like we're already dead.
No, it's not.
You just got told.
This is nothing like being dead. I see.